Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about OR operator versus IN operator in SQL Server. When to use OR operator and when to use IN operator. We'll see in the real-time example how we can use it. And also what is the advantages of using OR and what is the advantages of using IN operators in SQL Server, we'll see. OR and IN operators are used to filter a data based on a multiple conditions in a where class. While they achieve a similar result in the same cases, they have few important differences, like in terms of syntax and readability and performance and also use cases. Let's see how we can use it in OR and IN operators in SQL Server. First we'll go with the OR class. Let's switch to MS SQL. So here I have a predefined database demo, and under that we have a department and employee table. Let's query for both the tables. Select star from department and select star from employee. Let's see how the data is. In the department table I have a departments IT, finance, IT, marketing, HR, finance, IT, marketing and research and deployment and few employee data as well, and also the employee and department is connected with the department ID. So by using this we'll get filter the data from an employee table. First we'll query for a OR operator. The OR operator used to combine multiple conditions used in a SQL where class. It will return a row if any one of the condition specified in the where class, if matches the true, then it will return a data. So like select star from employee where department ID equal to, let's get filter with finance and marketing. The finance department ID is true. So now if I execute this query, so it will get filter only the finance department employees only. So this is, let's execute. I'll comment this. Now we can see the department 2, the data it get filtered from the employee table. If you want to filter with marketing, we have to write a condition or department ID equal to 4. The marketing is 4. We can see 2 and 4 it get filtered. Again, if you want to include in the same result set, if you want to include as a HR department, we have to define department ID equal to the HR department is 1. So you can see the HR department and the finance and marketing, all the employees got filtered from the employee table. So the readability perspective of OR class is a bit complex. If you want to filter more department IDs, then it will go on, we have to add OR and the same column we have to add like this. So now we'll see how we can use a IN operator in the same result set. We will get the same result set by using a IN operator with the same department IDs. So this is query for OR operator. Let's query for IN operator. The same will use where department ID in. So now here will be comma 4 comma and we used as a 1. We'll execute both the queries. I can see in this we have 8 rows, and the second result set also we have 8 rows. The IN operator used when you want to match a column to one of several values. One of several values. The column will match with one of several values. And also it is often more readable compared to this OR operator. So this is how we can use OR and IN operators. We have a few key differences in OR and IN operator also. Like IN operator is more concise and easier to read when you are checking a column against to multiple values. And the similar way OR also, but hard to read this one. And query also it is harder, because like each and every condition we have to specify the column name and the value, and this is a readability and the consistency. And then we'll consider about the performance. In the most cases, IN can be more efficient because it is optimized the database engine handle multiple values at this result set, while OR operator performing a generally fine with a few conditions. Using a multiple R classes might be less efficient with the larger databases. If you have more data in the employee or a bigger database, it will be like very hard and it will be slow. And when to use the IN operator and when to use the OR operator. Ideally, like IN operator checking a column against a predefined set of values, like specific values, departments, and here we have a department manager IDs, all those like that. So when you want to use OR operator, is a combination combining a different types of conditions, like comparing multiple columns. If you want to filter with multiple column values, like department ID now and manager ID. Suppose manager ID is 2. So in this kind of scenario, we will use an OR operator. And comparing next one is comparing with the complex conditions. Complex condition meaning like less than, greater than. If you're using like how I said, like multiple columns, if you want to use with a greater than, less than, like that, we can use a OR operator. And IN operator cannot handle these complex conditions on the different columns, because the whatever IN operator is specified to filter only for the department ID in the table. So if you want to filter the manager ID, if you another column, you have to write as a like AND OR operator, manager ID in 1, 3, like that you have to define. A few key points about OR operator and IN operator we have. Let's see what the IN operator is easy to read the larger list of values. OR operator will very hard to read the queries, how we discussed, like if you want to define a number of filter conditions, we have to write multiple OR operators like that. And performance wise, like optimize a fixed set of values, and OR operator is slower for the large conditions. Use cases when you are ideally comparing the against to fixed values. OR operator flexible for combining different conditions, but not in the IN operator. IN operator only for the fixed list. We cannot add multiple columns in condition. In the conclusion, use IN operator when you need to check if a column values is within the set of district values. And when to use OR operator is when you want to have a more complex condition or need to combine different types of comparing in a queries. So like this we can use it in and or operator in a SQL server. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.